أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Are you getting confused while you are reciting this one? Mean to say that you are confused that you are making a mistake or you are not making a mistake. This is called Salasila. If you are going to stop, then you have to recite this one as Alif Madda. But if you don't stop, then you have to recite it without reading this alif. Let's break it down in three methods. First method, if you will stop there and if you don't stop there. Second method, if you don't stop there and you stop there. Third method, without stopping there. So the first method is stop there, do not stop here. Let's read this one. أكواب كانت قواريرا stop قوارير من فضة قدروها تقديرا. I didn't stop here. I didn't read this one. The second method is if you don't stop here, but you stop here, then how to recite this one? أكواب كانت قوارير قواريرا. I didn't read this one, but I read this one. Now the third method is if you don't stop on any of this, you have to recite it. أكواب كانت قوارير قوارير من فضة قدروها تقديرا. Simple technique. If you don't stop, then you don't have to read this one. If you stop, you have to recite this one. I hope you got the point. If you learned something new, please follow us and till the next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.